How to print a percentage value in Python. This is my code. And it shows. But I want to get 33%. What can I do?
Format supports a percentage floating point precision type. If you don't want integer division, you can import Python 3's division from _future_.
There is a way more convenient percent formatting option for the .format method.
Just for the sake of completeness, since I noticed no one suggested this simple approach. Details. %.0f stands for print a float with 0 decimal places, so %.2f would print 33. Percent prints a literal percent. A bit cleaner than your original plus %. 1.0 instead of 1 takes care of coercing the division to float, so no more. 0.0.
Just did a Python 3 string solution.